Guys, I'm gonna be digging my nails into all my squishies to see you guys see what it sounds like, because a lot of people don't like it, so I'm gonna do it. Okay, first up is my butter. I'm watching the rookie right now and I'm crying because they just like exploded or something, their whole like thing. Okay, next up is this big blob. I'm hoping none of my squishies pop because I'm obsessed with them, so. Okay, next up is this big banana. So this is fake dumpling. So deflated. Okay, next up is this pickle.
Oh, you have the still in Grand got, right?
Okay, next up is this cat squishy. It's actually really hard, so it's not gonna make it good. Yeah. Next up is this pineapple.
But it wasn't, because you saved him. It was my fault. He was in
I thought my nail popped off for a second. I was like, oh heck nah. Once again.
Are you, huggable?
Gently.
Next up is this big grape. This one's actually soft and it smells like grape and it smells so good.
Your stubborn head is bravery. Is that your favorite?
No. Then my mini dumpling, I don't want to do this one with my nails though, because it's like really like fragile, so I'm just gonna squish it for y'all. No. Guys, to spot a real dumpling, it has to have RMS right here, and then it like has to also have the RMS on the bottom. RMS, you know. Next up is one of my favorites, the carrot.
Did you tell my client I will find a way to hang these murders around your neck and lock you away forever? As an officer of the
This is other really fake dumpling. Most of them. I just have like these baby ones I'm just gonna do together. 3 more. Okay, first this like s'more, the face ripped off, but. This one I got from Hallmark. It's so good. And lastly, this donut. That's all. Here are all the squishies. Bye, guys. Bye-bye. Oh, make sure to go check out the rookie, because the rookie's like the best thing ever.